This cute and funny t-shirt is making $12,000 a month on Etsy, and it's only been up for 9 months. So let me show you how you can do something like this too using print on demand. So before I create a new item with any phrase on it, I always like to search the trademark database just to make sure that it is not trademarked. So if we look up "Have the Day You Deserve," there is actually a pending trademark for t-shirts. So what I'm going to do is just a play on that phrase because the process to make it is still the same. So you don't have to use the exact phrase, but this is going to show you how you can make a product just like this for when you find a good phrase. So the first thing I'm going to do is create my design. So I'm going to go to Kittl.com, but you can do this in Canva as well. I'm going to look up some retro designs. I think we can do something with this one. Just going to switch out this font, and then I want to change out this artwork too. So we're going to stick with the skeleton theme, and I like this, so we're going to go with that. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and click download, and we're going to remove the background. If this was in Canva, you would just download with a transparent background. And now we have our design file. So now we're going to go to printify.com, and we're going to look for t-shirts. This Bella Canvas 3001 is super popular. So we're going to click show additional providers, and we're going to use SwiftPod. We'll click start designing. Now that we are in this design editor, we're going to come over here and select our colors. And I think for this one, I just want to offer it in a heather color and black. And now we're going to upload that design. Now we'll just adjust it to make it the right size and placement on the shirt. And we'll come click preview so we can see what it actually looks like on the models. And I think that looks really good. So we'll click save product. And now what I like to do is just scroll down and then maybe change the title so that it is something more descriptive so I can find this later. I will update the shipping and add my shipping profile right here. If you want to know how to do that, I do have another video on that. And then I'm going to scroll down and update all of these prices. And before I choose these prices, I'm going to go to this website. It's the Omni Profit Calculator website for the Etsy fees, and this is just to make sure that I am not getting charged things that I am not sure of, and so I am setting my prices so that I actually make money. Once I have those all set, I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to click Hide in Store so that I can actually go in and edit the title, the tags, and the description before Etsy pushes it out for the public to see. And right now I'm going to click Publish. So now if I go into my Etsy store and I go to Listings and then come over here to Draft, it is right there. So we'll click on that. And then I would use a site like eRank or Marmalade or Everbee, and I would find good title keywords. And I would also scroll down and change this description to have those keywords in a paragraph form. Etsy really likes it when it is in paragraph form. And then I would also use those keywords and put in 13 tags. And if you can find tags that are low competition and high search, that is the real gold. Once I've done my SEO, it's time to get really good photos for my mockups. Now I like to make my mockups in Canva, so I am just gonna upload that design and then place it here. And this part is super important. Once you've figured out exactly where you want to place it, you want to come up here and pull this transparency down. I like it to be around 80 to 85%, just because when it actually gets printed, it is not going to look as vibrant, and this just looks more natural and like it is an actual printed out design. And you're going to want to come over here to share, and you're going to download this as a JPEG at 100%. And you are going to upload those mockups into your Etsy listing. And then I would also add really descriptive size charts here as well. There it is right there. And now you can adjust the thumbnail just to make sure people are seeing the actual design while still also getting the vibe of the shirt. And you can add more product photos. And like I said, definitely add a size chart. But then once you are done, you can go ahead and come on down here and click publish.